It's stormy outside, so I wanted to go outside. So I finished uploading my YouTube video. I got out of my pajamas and got dressed today. I walked outside. I'm like, it looks like it's gonna rain. I should go put a jacket on, maybe a hat, and see if I can find an umbrella. I realized I don't have an umbrella. So I'm like, this should be fine. I opened the door. I was like, I don't think this jacket and hat is gonna be enough. You know? I've been cooped in my house for a long time. I thought, I'm gonna go for a walk. Mother Nature said, oh no you don't. No walk for you, young lady. You're gonna stay inside. And you're gonna watch Netflix and YouTube videos. That's what she's saying. Or she's telling me to clean my room, but I don't buy that. I thought a walk would be good for me. What do you know? Drip, drip, drop, little April showers beating down. That's all I know of that song. Oh, what's that Winnie the Pooh song? The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 rushing, rising ribbons. The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 flooded into Alex's. Alex started paling. A message she did write. Help! Palix! Me! She put it in a bottle and it floated out of sight. And the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. Amy, what do you think of this weather? What do you think? We could go out and play in the rain, Amy. Come on, that sounds like fun. Be a sport. Well, fine. Yeah, Amy. Let's go, come on. Going solo. Go figure, the day I want to go outside, it pours. You don't touch my camera, weather. Oh goodness, look at this. I don't have to water the plants today. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give it a try. Woohoo, that's cold. Oh, the grass is so... My yard is flooded. I would have frolicked around a bit, but my front yard is flooded in water. I don't know if the camera can see. I'm not going to bring the camera out there. The rain's coming too hard. Down too hard. Trust me, it's flooded more than just puddles. All that brown stuff, that's like things that was down lower and it floated up in the water like a swamp. I don't know if you can tell, but walking in that grass is like walking in a little pond. Yeah. I can't believe I got out of my pajamas for this. Well, that is stinkeroni. Amy. Where you go? I am talking to you. I guess I should check on the pool, cause it's only been raining for a few minutes. But the pool's gonna overflow. I gotta pull the plug. But there's no thunder or lightning that I see or hear. So we should be good. There's the waterfall spot. Are you thirsty, plant? Haha. For those of you who wonder what it's like living in Florida, here you go. You want to go for a walk and then nature goes, ha ha! That's funny! Really, it hasn't rained for a little stretch there. And one day I want to go out. Amy, want to come out? She's looking at me through the door. Come on, Amy. Oh, come on. Oh, I hear thunder! Nope. Nope. Come on, Amy, the water's fine. Here's where I aimlessly pace around my house because I feel like moving around, but I can't go outside, like at nighttime. And my mom's not here to yell at me for doing it. My mom always yells at me when I pace around the house. She says I remind her of a lion in a cage. But that's what I feel like. I'm just gonna walk around aimlessly around my house. With Amy. See? It's not pouring as bad as it was. So I said, I'm gonna go for that walk. Floop it. I'm walking. So I'm walking in the rain, but it's not pouring as bad anymore. Look at this little river. That's the thing, every time we get a lot of rain, the end of this road floods. So hopefully when I come back, I'll be able to get across. Or I'm gonna have to walk all the way around. I think I just saw my dad at the end of the street. And he's like, what's she doing walking in the rain? Look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk around the block. Oh my goodness. It's flooded. Yowzers!